touched upon this a couple years ago on my very first YouTube video. When you get the FJ, it's basically open. It's got some dividers down there for you to put all your stuff in. It's kind of, I don't know, ugly, unsightly. It also advertises to anybody outside what you have inside the vehicle. So I basically purchased this little deal here. It's got a roll top and you can hide it. It also comes with this neat little tray. It's got some different compartments in it. Kind of put that in there. You can hold 2 layers of stuff. You can actually close the top, and it basically it tidies up the inside at the same time, give you some security, and it looks pretty good with the vehicle too. In the back, it's got a panel that goes down over the back of the center console, and of course that's where the roll top feature goes into. Using pop rivets and all, I added that cup holder, which is kind of neat. I didn't have a whole lot of room up front. I didn't want big water bottles getting in the way. So I basically put it in. It unfolds really well, which is nice. Again, you can see the pop rivets in there. Actually, you know what? I might go ahead and paint those black and they kind of stick out like a sore thumb. But anyway, the nice thing about this is you can put any type of tall water bottle all the way down to a smaller one if you want to, whatever you want to put in there. The way this particular cup holder is designed, it takes various size bottles. I just kind of like how it's out of the way. It's in the back now. I can reach back and grab the water if I need it, and it's not taking up any room up front. And as far as the where to get the cup holder, there's a bunch of different types out there. I just bought this one at Pep Boys. Oh God, a long time ago. It had to be over 15 years ago now. And I don't even know if they sell that anymore. But you can basically find a good water bottle, a good cup holder, and you can attach it to the back of this roll top, which is what I did. And of course I bought the little ashtray, which I use for Tic Tacs and stuff. And again, this is the coin holder I put in there quite a few years ago. Probably, let's see here, maybe 13, 14 years ago when I first bought it. That came out of my old Tundra. And I just use Velcro to hold it in place. But the roll top feature here is really pretty neat. I really like that. Again, out of sight, out of mind. It dresses up the center. You have 2 layers of storage. And I can't recommend enough. It's not cheap, but you only get what you pay for. I'll go ahead and put a link and also some pictures and stuff through the link of this. You can get it in different features. I like the all plastic. You can get it in aluminum. Oh, you'll see when you order the link. There's all kinds of ones. So again, it's not cheap, but you get what you pay for, and it does look nice.